we're going to walk home together down the streets and see what it's like to walk home in Salasano. See how pretty it all is. It's still Christmas here, really. They're still celebrating the holidays because it is today is Epiphany. So there was a big festival in the market, and now we'll walk home and I'll show you the way home in Salasano. Oh, yes.
Poi sulla piazza.
Okay, in the piazza.
Lì, di fronte alla chiesa. Lì.
Sì, grazie. The nativity. It's everywhere here.
Straniera.
I'm a visitor from Canada. From Canada. Me.
Come mai sei qui?
Here I stay, mozzarella. Chi?
Tua sorella vive qui.
Sì.
E chi è?
Who,
Come si chiama?
oh, mi chiama Rebecca.
Nome sorella?
Oh, mozzarella chiama Maureen.
Morina.
Maureen. And Claude.
Abita qui.
Maureen and Claude.
No, non conosco, io non sono di qui.
They stay in the tourista
Non
residence.
capisco.
Okay,
guarda,
okay.
Non capisco.
Okay.
Scusa.
Okay, it's okay. Me, my Italian, not good. So,
Ciao.
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 There's the little fellows playing soccer. Or is it football? Just outside the church. Ciao.
È grande.
Beautiful. Sì.
Negli angoletti.
Bellissimo, yes. Sì.
Così ci hanno detto.
Buongiorno.
Grazie. Grazie. I mean, look at this. It is truly like being inside a castle. I think this is oh yes, this is, I hope this is open at some point while I'm here. This is obviously the museum. I'm sure there's some really interesting information behind those doors about the history of Salasano. I could wander around here forever because to me this feels like home, just the history here. Ciao. Ciao Luca.
L'ha visto me?
Oh,
Pure, sì, pure qui c'è.
A uncinetto.
È stato fatto.
Tutto lavorone. A
Oh.
uncinetto.
ok.
I bamboccini.
Bambocini, the little.
Bello, eh?
Bello, sì.
Almeno mo se li ho presi tutti.
È bello.
Pure noi non abbiamo.
No, io ce
Noi
l'ho
siamo di qui, qui.
From Canada.
Sei?
I'm from Canada.
Ah, lei Canada.
Yes, yes,
da lontano
Yes.
proprio.
yes. It's beautiful, bello. Salasano.
Salisano è bello.
Ciao.
Buonasera.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm moving here. That's the theater, teatro. Buongiorno. Oh, look at the beautiful view down these steps. That is the street that I need to be on. Not sure I want to meet up with the dog, but it's okay. Oh, the Archivio Storico. Okay, so that's an archive. Wow. So if you want to get sun here, it's definitely good to be on the outside of the castle walls as opposed to inside, where I've spent a lot of my time because it feels like I'm inside a castle wandering around in there. But on the outside, as you can see, it's a lot sunnier, of course. Oh, and here's Claude. Oh, I'm home.
Welcome home.
Thank you.